Okay everyone, this video about the design review of this modern house with length dimension around 23 meter for the length to the back, and the height is 14.8 meter, and for the building itself, for the height of this building dimension around 8 meter, and for the length to the back around 18.5 meter. And we can see about the design style of this modern house. It adapt with the contemporary design of this modern house anyway, and it has two capacity of the carport over there with a length dimension of this carport, because of this carport can accommodate a large car over there. Okay, so you can see about the space of this carport. It's so large over there, and it's so spacious space of this carport over there. And above of the carport has semi outdoor rooftop or large balcony with arrangement of the plan tree of the plan of this house, so it would make it more nature vibes anyway. Okay, so you can see about the arrangement of the overall exterior design. It use white color, and it has small or just a few of or just a few uh, element of this stone anyway, of this cream stone over there. Maybe you can see about the detail of this stone texture over there, and you can see about the window arrangement with the three column over there with um, wings anyway. And you can see about the top position. You can see about the top position of this house. It use a flat roof over there, and you can see about the right side over there of the house. You can see about the right side, it's used a large window over there with several arrangement of this window and large window over there. So in this design, it could maximize the daylighting system, and with almost of the room on this house anyway. Okay, maybe we can try to make a section of this house. Okay, we can try to see about the inside. Okay, we can see about the inside of this house with floor plan 3D concept. It has several room over there. It has a large guest room over there, and it is. I mean, this is about the bedroom. This is the front bedroom. Maybe it could be for a bedroom for the guests and for the another family of. I mean, okay, and this is about the another room. This is about the another space of the room, and this is about the open layout room. Maybe it's about the kitchen, dining room, living room, and many more anyway. And we can see about this area. It could be powder room, toilet, and this is maybe about the small storage room, or maybe it's just for another bedroom. And this is about the restroom over there. It has two cabin of the restroom, and this is a wastafel position anyway. And this is maybe for the outdoor space on the back with a small garden over there on the back side. And we can see the upper position or the first floor on this design anyway. And this is about the stair. This is the landing of the stair. It has one void area, so it could maximize the daylighting system from the left side of this house, because of the daylighting can come from the left side to this area. Maybe with this area for the living room over there. And this is, as it has a two bedroom with one bathroom, with separated bathroom from the both of this bed anyway. And this is I mean, this is about the master bedroom in the first floor because it has some compartment room. I mean, this is about the master bathroom, and this is about the wardrobe area or walk-in closet, and this is about the bed area of this master bedroom anyway. And you can see about the right side position. I mean, this is about the small living room on the first floor anyway. Okay, that's all. Then we can see about the small canopy on the back side of this house, especially on the surfaces area. Maybe this is about the surfaces area by the architect or designer. I mean, the architect or the designer consider the back area are better for the organized for the surfaces area and the small garden area, and it has a lot of space. It has a lot of open space on the left side and back side area. So of almost most of this room, it has enough daylighting and air circulation and good air circulation anyway. Okay, beside the luxury and modern look from this house anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it could be inspired to all of you to make a house, to plan your house anyway. Or if you are an architect or designer, you can get the inspiration from this design anyway, from this great design. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next review. Thank you.